How to earn passive income with ChatGPT prompt doing marketing. ChatGPT is a wonderful tool and so many people are taking advantage of this and making lots of money. Let me warn you, this video is not a get rich quick scheme. This is step-by-step video that will show you how you can take advantage of ChatGPT prompt and make lots of money. Watch the video to the end and discover the various ways that can help you earn money doing marketing with ChatGPT prompt. First of all, let's try and understand what ChatGPT is all about. It is a language model trained on massive amount of data. This includes books, articles, and web pages, as well as social media posts and other types of user-generated content. So all the data that we find around, this has been used to train this AI. So ChatGPT is an AI and people write prompts to train this AI to give various information that can help us in our day-to-day activity. Okay, so it is a text prompt that is used to generate content. So what it means is that it can assist you in generating useful content, and based on this useful content you can earn money. When you're able to generate the right prompt, you can use the data from this prompt in making money. So watch the video to the end. Never skip any part of this video, as we're going to break everything down for each and every one of us to understand. So using ChatGPT prompts for marketing is very interesting and very easy. So I'm going to walk you through some few examples, and one of them is content creation. This is very important. One of the most obvious ways to use ChatGPT prompt is for content creation. Marketers can use ChatGPT prompts to generate blog posts, social media updates, product description, and other important content. The generated content can then be edited and redefined to ensure it meets the client needs and fits their brand voice. What marketing is about is making noise about a product or a brand, and before you can make noise about anything, you need quality content. That is where ChatGPT or GPT prompts come in handy. This can assist you in gathering different information based on the data that has been used to train this AI. You get the right useful information and you can create good content for the client. All you need is the attention to the product that you are marketing, or attention to the brand that you are marketing, and content is king. You cannot leave content out in marketing. That is where ChatGPT prompt comes in. So using the prompt, you can create engaging content for clients and it can make marketing easier. The second one is email marketing. This is also very important, as is a powerful tool for reaching customers and building relationships. But coming up with engaging email content can be challenging. GPT prompts can be used to generate subject email lines as well as the body copy for emails. This can help marketers save time and create more compelling email campaigns. Imagine opening an email and the content is boring. What do? You immediately either skip it or delete it. By using GPT prompts, you can create interesting email bodies, and even the title, the subject of the email, a very captivating one, and you can use this in email marketing. So many people build email lists but do not know how to make good use of it. So if you are a marketer, or if you're trying to make money online, you've seen a product and people are doing affiliate marketing and you don't know how to pursue your affiliate marketing dream, then GPT prompts can help you in writing quality email messages for this course. So GPT prompts is a great way to make money using email marketing. The third thing is SEO, that is search engine optimization. Is essential for driving traffic to websites. One of the keys to successful SEO is creating high quality relevant content. GPT prompts can be used to generate optimized content for specific keywords and phrases, making it easier for websites to rank higher in search engine results. The main aim of every blog post or every website or even every content is that people get to see it. How do people get to see your website? It is when it ranks, okay, in search engine. So you need to optimize your website in terms of search engine so that when people search any keyword on the web, your content or website will pop up. And this is where GPT prompts also are useful. It helps you write that optimized content so that it can be searched, so that it can be indexed, and this content or product that you are selling or marketing will show up whenever people type any keyword that is found in the content or the product that you are selling. So this is very important. Search engine optimization. This is one way that GPT prompts can help you in marketing. It is very interesting to know that a lot of people are trying so hard to make money online, but they are doing it the wrong way and they are not making results. That is why I want to take my time and take you through all these so that you can make money. Now let's look at some tips in using GPT prompts effectively. If you don't know how to use this effectively, then you cannot make money out of it. So GPT prompts are powerful tools, but there are some best practices to remember to ensure they are used effectively. That is the aim of this video. The first thing to know, the first tip that I want to give today is to start with a clear brief. Before using GPT prompt, it's essential to have a clear brief that outlines the client's objectives, target audience, and brand voice. This will help ensure the generated content is brand and meets client need. So you need to understand what you are writing about. You need to understand what you want to achieve and make it brief and clear. You don't need to complicate it. It should be simple and understandable. So that is one thing. The second tip that I'm going to give is edit and refine the generated content. So many people are trying to use this AI, but once they put in the prompt and they get the content that is generated, they leave the content like that and use. But it's very important for you to edit and refine this content that is generated so that you can get a unique quality content that is skewed to your target audience. This may involve tweaking the language, adding additional information, or changing the tone of the content. You want uniqueness because everyone is using this. You want yours to stand out. So take time, edit and refine the content that has been generated for you. This is one way to make good use of GPT prompts. The third tip I want to leave you with is use multiple prompts. Using multiple GPT prompts can help ensure that the generated content is diverse and engaging. This can be especially helpful when creating content for a blog or a social media campaign where various topics and themes are needed. As I told you earlier on, you need the uniqueness of it. You need to stand out from the crowd. So that is one way. Use multiple prompts in whatever that you do. The last step I want to leave you with is combine GPT prompts with other tools. GPT prompts on its own is a powerful tool, but you want to stand out. You want a more powerful one. So it will be very important and very beneficial if you combine other tools with GPT prompts. Okay, while GPT prompts are powerful, they are not a substitute for human creativity and expertise. Combining GPT prompts with other tools such as brainstorming sessions and keyword research can help ensure the generated content is high quality and on brand. Marketers should use GPT prompts because they can help streamline the content creation process and improve the quality of the content they produce. So it is very crucial as you're trying to make money with this. Make sure that you are giving out quality, because humans are so smart that when you are giving them something that is entirely AI generated, they get to see it. So make sure that you combine some other tools. You combine that natural intelligence with artificial intelligence. All these things that we're talking about is not just used in marketing, but can be used in the real life and can be practiced anywhere in life and make lots of money. So overall, ChatGPT prompts can help marketers produce more content in less time, and it can also help them produce quality content and make lots of money. You can even use it to generate blog posts, write articles and sell, and build a whole business model around it. This is crucial if you want to make money online. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video.